ZXJS-V Lightning Arrestor Discharge Counter Tester, specially designed to verify the performance of lightning arrestor counters. Built-in 0.5% high-precision ammeter. Support automatic switching between functional testing and calibration without the need to change wiring. Using infinite tuning technology. Accurate output of 0 to 20 milliamperes current, compatible with 35 kilovolts to 500 kilovolts lightning arrestors. High voltage pulse simulation. Technology ensures safety. The 2.7-inch color screen displays real-time parameters and is easy to operate. The whole machine weighs 3 kilograms and is powered by AC and DC, suitable for outdoor scenarios such as substations and transmission lines.